So I've got unsalted butter that we want soft. Gonna add some shallot in here, just a touch of pimento or red pepper. Gotta have garlic. Parsley. The juice of a lemon. Just sort of mix this up to make this butter. And a little cayenne pepper to kick it up a couple of notches in there. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of this butter on the oysters. And 1 or 2 pieces of bacon. 400 degrees. We're gonna blast them in here now. Just so that butter starts melting. The little drippings of the bacon, they get nice and bubbly. Oh, I love that. I love when that happens. We're gonna go get our first one that's been in the oven. You just simply want to garnish them, folks, with maybe a little bit of lemon wedges like this. And of course, a little bit of leaf parsley. That simple, it makes a beautiful, beautiful little appetizer. Oyster Casinos.